Have you ever traveled to another country and suddenly felt confused while crossing the road? Cars come from the opposite direction, your instincts hesitate, your body freezes for a second, and that 1 second can decide life or death. So, why does the world drive on two different sides of the road? Welcome back, everyone. Today, most countries drive on the right side, but nearly 35 countries still drive on the left. This is not an accident. This is not poor planning. This is history, power, and human behavior written on our roads. Long before cars existed, roads were used by people on foot and on horses. Most humans are right-handed, so travelers naturally kept to the left side, keeping their right hand free to defend themselves. Even ancient Roman roads show signs of left-side travel. For centuries, left-side movement was the global norm. Then came Napoleon Bonaparte, a powerful ruler, a military genius, and interestingly, left-handed. Napoleon ordered his enemies to march on the right side. As he conquered Europe, he forced countries to adopt right-side travel. Countries he controlled changed. Countries he couldn't, like Britain, stayed left, and that decision still affects us today. Today, countries that drive on the left include United Kingdom, India, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, and South Africa. Most of these were influenced by British systems. Most of the world drives on the right, including United States, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, China, Russia, Brazil, most of Europe, most of Africa. This covers nearly 75% of the world. Japan was never colonized by Britain, yet it drives on the left. Why? Because Japan's railways were built by British engineers. Once trains ran on the left, roads followed. Sometimes infrastructure decides habits. Here's the deeper lesson. Many rules we follow today were decided long before we were born. Education systems, work culture, social expectations. Most people follow systems without knowing why. Growth begins when we understand the system, not blindly follow it. Different sides, same goal, safety. In life too, paths differ. Awareness prevents accidents. If this helped you see everyday rules differently, stay connected. More eye-opening world knowledge is coming. Which side does your country drive on? Comment below. Thanks a lot for watching.